Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for your time, attention, and willingness to watch and listen to our presentation today. Even though this presentation is only delivered by the two of us through this video presentation. We would also like to give our warm greetings and respect to our lecturer, Dr. Alda Willian, MPD. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kevin Albani as the moderator, and my partner is Nandang Hidayat. Today, we will discuss about traditional versus modern farming, differences in systems, and the impact of technology on productivity and sustainability. Okay, in this presentation, we will explain the differences between traditional and modern farming systems. Okay. Okay, first, I will explain the big background of this topic. For the first, agriculture is essential for food production and economic development. Traditional farming often depends on weather and manual labor. Modern farming uses technology to improve efficiency and productivity. And last, the data in this study are based on interviews with farmers and experts. Agriculture is very important because it supports food production and economic development. Traditional farming usually depends on weather, natural condition, and manual labor using simple tools. Meanwhile, modern farming uses advanced technology such as machine, automation, hydroponics, and smart farming systems. The data and information in this presentation are based on interview with several respondents from agricultural backgrounds. I will explain the objective of this study. For the first, to identify the key characteristic or traditional and modern farming systems based on interview result. Number two, to analyze the main difference between traditional and modern farming practice. Number three, to examine how the use of technology influences productivity in modern agriculture. And last, to understand why modern farming produce higher yields compared to traditional methods. Okay. Now I will introduce the respondents involved in this interview. For the first, Ms. Dr. Siti Nur Hidayah, SPMSI, lecturer in agrotechnology. Number two is Ms. Intan Nur Cahya, SPMP, lecturer in TPHP. Number three, Mr. Yudi Ari Prianto, SPMSI, lecturer in agrotechnology. Number four, Mr. Rifan Nuriansah, student and assistant laboratory. And the last, Mr. Momon Kirman, leader of Gapoktan Farmer Group Association. Okay. Next, I will explain the interview question used in this study. For the first question is descriptive. What are the characteristics of traditional and modern farming? Number two, comparative. What are the difference between traditional farming and modern farming? Number three, relationship. How does the use of technology relate to productivity in modern farming? And the last, number four, why does modern farming produce higher yields than traditional farming? Okay. Now I will explain the first main things from the interview result. Main findings one, what are the characteristics of traditional and modern farming? Respondent number one, Payudi, system use traditional versus modern farming. Key operational points, traditional, conventional methods, simple tools, modern, mechanization, advanced technology includes hydroponics and aeroponics. Number two, Bintan, system use, traditional versus smart farming. Key operational points, traditional, simple tools, local seeds, subsistence, modern, IoT, automation, large-scale production, use high-quality seeds. Number three, Budaya, system use, resource-based versus technology-based. Key operational points, Traditional human labor depends on nature. Modern, efficient use improved varieties can grow in controlled environments. Number four, Kang Rifan, system use manual versus automated farming, key operational points, traditional manual tools, few basic methods, modern machine, AI, hydroponics, more practical and efficient. And the last, number five, Pak Momon, system use conventional versus standardized farming, key operational points, traditional, manual, inserted methods, modern machine follows government standard and output can be similar. Based on the interview result, traditional farming is characterized by manual labor, simple tools, and dependence on natural conditions. Meanwhile, modern farming uses advanced technology such as machine, hydroponics, aeroponics, automation, and IoT systems. And most respondents agreed that modern farming is more practical, efficient, and productive, while traditional farming is simpler and easier to apply for small farmers. Okay. All right, everyone. Now I will hand over to presentation to my partner, Nandang Hidayat. He will continue explaining the next findings and conclusions about traditional and modern farming.
Thank you, Kevin, for the explanation and introduction. Now, I will continue the presentation by explaining the next findings about the difference between traditional and modern farming. Main findings 2. What are the difference between traditional farming and modern farming? Respondent 1, Payudi, modern. Higher cost machine, traditional lower cost. Productivity conversion, modern, more efficient. Higher productivity. Bu Intan, modern. High initial cost, productive, better long-term return, productivity compression, efficient input use, higher yield. Budaya, cost compression, modern, large capital needed. Traditional, limited cost, productivity compression, modern, large and stable production. Respondent 4, Kang Rifan, cost compression, modern, high initial cost, save cost over time, productivity compression, faster work, time efficient. Respondent 5, Pamomon, cost compression, traditional, high labor need, modern, save labor cost, and productivity compression, no significant difference. Based on the interview result, modern farming generally requires high initial cost because it uses machine and advanced technology. However, modern farming is considered modern, efficient, and productive in the long term. Meanwhile, traditional farming usually has lower operational cost, but it requires more manual labor and takes more time. Most respondents agreed that modern farming can increase productivity and save time compared to traditional farming methods. Next, I will explain the relationship between technology and productivity in modern farming. How does the use technology relate to productivity in modern farming? Respondent 1, Payudi. Impact of technology, mostly positive. Key points, increase productivity, reform chemical use. Respondent 2, Bu Intan. Impact of technology, defense of use. Key points, needs internet, IoT, requires skilled workers. Respondent 3, Budaya. Positive but has impact. Key points, cause pollution emission, still needed for production. Respondent 4, Kang Rifan. Impact of technology, technical risk. Key points, mechanic error, needs maintenance. Respondent 5, impact of technology, optional. Key points, technology is a choice, adjust to needs. The respondent explained that technology has a strong relationship with productivity in modern farming. Technology can help farmers work faster, improve efficiency, and increase crop production. However, there are also some challenges, such as machine maintenance, technical errors, internet dependence, and environmental impact like pollution. Therefore, technology must be used wisely and according to farmers' needs. Now, I explain why modern farming produces higher yield compared to traditional farming. Why does modern farming produce higher yields than traditional farming? Respondent 1. Payudi, key factor high productivity, technology. Key points, improves efficiency, consistent result. Respondent 2. Bu Intan, key factor high for productivity, high quality seed. Key points, most important factor to support plant growth. Respondent 3. Budaya, key factor high productivity, seed, and technology. Key points, better varieties increase yield. Respondent 4. Kang Rifan, key factor high productivity, technology, and seed. Key points, help detect plant problems and improve efficiency. Respondent 5. Pamomon, key factors, key factor high productivity, technology, seed, and land. Key points, all factors are important. According to the respondent, modern farming produces high yields because it combines technology, high quality seed, and better management system. Technology helps farmer monitor plant condition and improve efficiency. High seed also play an important role because they support better plant growth and more stable production result. So, the combination of technology and good seed quality is the main factor behind higher productivity. From the interview result, we can see the biggest difference between traditional and modern farming is the use technology and modern and farming methods. Explanation of findings. The finding show that main difference lies in technology and methods. To be said, based on the interview, modern farming is more efficient while traditional farming is more simple. However, technology increase productivity but also bring risk. For therefore, effective farming depends on combining key factors, technology, seed, and management. Modern farming is more efficient and productive, while traditional farming is simpler and easier to apply for small farmers. Even though technology increases productivity, it also creates some risks and challenges. Therefore, successful farming de- depends on good management, proper technology use, and sustainable farming condition. Based on the findings, farmers should use technology appropriately and according their needs. Solution: one, the finding suggests that farmers should use appropriate technology. Two, it's important to use high quality seeds. Three, farmers should improve skills in using modern tools. And four, therefore, combining traditional and modern methods is recommended. It is also important to use high quality seed to improve agricultural production. Farmers should improve their skill in operating modern farming tools and technology. In addition, combining traditional knowledge with modern technology can create a more effective and sustainable farming system. Next, in conclusion, modern farming is more efficient and productive because it use technology and better management system. Conclusion, based on the interview, modern farming is more efficient, while traditional farming is simpler and more accessible. However, technology also brings certain risks. Therefore, the best approach is to combine technology, high quality side, and proper management based on farmers' need and condition. Meanwhile, traditional farming is simpler and more accessible for many farmers. However, technology also has challenges and risks that need proper management. Therefore, the best farming approach is to combine technology, good seed, and farmers' experience to create sustainable agriculture.
Okay. Um, Thank you for the explain for the material. Nandang, great job. Before we end this presentation, I would like to briefly review our discussion today. From this presentation, we learned that traditional farming and modern farming have different systems and methods. Traditional farming is simpler and mostly depends on manual labor and natural condition, while modern farming uses technology to improve efficiency and productivity. Based on the interview results, modern farming generally produce higher yields because of their technology, high quality seeds, and better management system. However, modern farming also has challenges such as higher costs, technical problems, and environmental impacts. Therefore, we can conclude that the best agricultural approach is not only choosing traditional or modern farming, but combining technology, knowledge, and farmers' experience to create sustainable and effective agriculture. Okay, that's all from our presentation today. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.